Hello, friend. How are you? Hoping you'll be enjoying and fantastic in your life. And if you're just talking about to me, then I am also fine this time. So, guys, today I just discussed a very inspiring and motivational story, and that is related to my young sensation, young boy, little baby boss. I think you just thinking about in your mind. You just imagine what the name, what who is, and that is the person is the little boy is. I just talking about Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Yeah, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is the youngest player to debut in IPL forever, and Vaibhav Suryavanshi just create in recent year like 2025 just create a history to debut in IPL in just in 14 years old. And this time, Vaibhav Suryavanshi just break day by day to all record. And this time, the Indian selectors just select for his for him the Indian squad for one day and T20 against England and Ireland. So even here, Vaibhav Suryavanshi just create another history in a very small age. He just debut the international match in a squad, but it's very important if Vaibhav Suryavanshi is just selected in playing 11 against Ireland or England, then it's exceptional history he just write, because the legendary Sachin Tendulkar is just come in playing 11, and he just debut in 2025 against, no, sorry, not 2025. Sachin Tendulkar is just debut in 20 yeah for T20 match in just only 16 years and 285 days. But Vaibhav Suryavanshi is just coming in playing 11. It's exceptional history written by him, and that is its coming days. We saw what is the result. But I just talking about Vaibhav Suryavanshi history. Why a young boy is just create and just break day by day a biggest record. Also in IPL, and now time he just play and selected India A team in the main team. So it's very uh, uh, big. It's a very big proud to all of you, like to all Biharis, and also it's proud to our country, India. It's very it's very proud moment, because Vaibhav Suryavanshi is not play in the IPL. This time he play India A match, and this time the continuing the tri series, like tri series in which three teams just participate in this series, and India, and in this series India, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka, and this series is hosted by tri series is hosted by Sri Lanka. So this time India is just playing two match and one match loss and one match win. one match win against Sri Lanka, and one match loss against Afghanistan. But Vaibhav Suryavanshi is just debut in first match and just scoring only 40 runs, and then he come back for Pavilion, and in next match he playing fast and only 22 ball he just scoring 44 runs. So like a 200 strike rate. So it's uh, big scoring by Vaibhav Suryavanshi. But in next match, it was so to all Indians to all. It's the result pending. Okay, so but I just talking about Vaibhav Suryavanshi. So Vaibhav Suryavanshi is an exceptional player. This time, the Times of India is just uh, doing white conversation with Vaibhav Suryavanshi's father, like Sanjeev Suryavanshi. So, if I just talking about the family background of Vaibhav Suryavanshi, so Vaibhav Suryavanshi just belongs to Samastipur district, Bihar, and his family, his ancestral family just belong landlord, because his father have a big land, and then in childhood, when only 4 years, when Vaibhav Suryavanshi, his father, he just decided, because this time only 4 years, when the Vaibhav Suryavanshi just playing, just starting to catch a plastic bat, and he just continuing to try to hit the plastic ball. That's time only 4 years when. So his father is just thinking about for him, and just realizing his attention, his quality, and his dedication to his match, and then he decided, my brother, sorry, my child, my son is wants to go for match. So his father is just decided to sell his land, ancestral land, and then he just admitted his son in Patna Academy, cricket academy. So on daily basis, because Sanjeev, because Sanjeev Suryavanshi has a four-wheeler, then on daily uh, traveling 90 kilometer from Samastipur to Patna, and just come in morning to academy, and just with Vaibhav Suryavanshi just go to um, again in night in Samastipur. So it's a difficult, but his father is just his father is just doing a great dedication to for his child, for his son, and he just give up many things, like other parents and other families doing, but his father is doing exceptional work for his son, and then this time his son is doing exceptional work, like breaking a lots of record this time. So it's the history, the Vaibhav Suryavanshi and his father Sanjeev Suryavanshi.